Farrowing room preparation. This includes cleaning, disinfection, and setting up. In this video, we will go through all the steps needed for proper farrowing room preparation. The most successful pre-weaning mortality plans start with a strategic room preparation pre-plan for proper cleaning, disinfection, and farrowing room setup. Start out by removing all organic material from room before power washing to reduce the environmental pathogens, which include manure, feed, and animal byproducts. Good power washing is key. It takes care of 99.5% of contamination. You can use a foam product after soaking for better results, and please make sure to use hot water. The room should be inspected with a flashlight after washing, looking for any organic material that may have gotten missed before starting the disinfection process. Make sure the disinfectant is diluted properly, following the product instructions. Under or over concentrated could create additional problems. Spray disinfectant covering all over the crates and alleyways. The room needs to be completely dry before loading. Make sure the feeders do not have disinfectant pooled in the bottom. The sows could ingest, and this could cause a feed disruption. Proper room setup includes checking functionality of feeders, drinkers, mats, heat sources, and fans. Set up the room temperature to 72 to 74 degrees Fahrenheit. Check inside the room to make sure everything is working properly. And set the wall and ceiling openings to provide the right wind speed for summer and winter months. Check with your supervisor for further details. Water accessibility. Make sure the nipple position and orientation is allowing the females to have easy access to water and drinking comfort. Check all the water nipples before loading the room. They should provide at least 2 liters per minute of water flow. Here's a tip. If a paint can lid can fill with water in less than 4 seconds, you have the right flow. Here are 2 examples below of water nipples that need to be replaced and or cleaned before loading the room. If the water flow is below 2 liters per minute, or if it has high pressure or low volume. The creep area mat temperature should be between 95 and 98 degrees Fahrenheit before farrowing. It is not recommended to place the white powder on the mats unless they are wet, because the mat temperature could drop by 8 degrees. Replace heat bulbs when not working properly. Too hot or too cold of creep area will modify the piglet's behavior and could impact viability. For example, if the creep area and heat sources are not well set up and adjusted properly during room preparation, it could impact litter's comfort, health, and safety. Make sure to clean and disinfect all tools and material used for day 1 care and monitoring. Remember, successful room washing, disinfection, and setup require a team effort, timely coordination, and supervision of the department leaders. These are general recommendations, and we encourage the production staff to follow the farm protocols. Farms should have procedures created and approved by their production management head.